guys, I am not happy. I bought this rubbish slime and I'm so angry. So I thought I'd do a video before I get angrier. Just falling out. That's what the title is. And I do not like it. It's like jiggly. It's really wet. It's supposed to be fluffy. And it says it's sticky, but it's actually wet, and that's yucky. I just don't know what to do, guys. It's like glass slime, but it's not. It's not like the type of slime that I like. Maybe this is. I just like. Oh, camera's not working because I'm so stressed. It is not good, guys. And yuck. Just breaks up and everything. And when you try to mix it in, it usually stays in one place. And I'm just complaining so much about this. Yeah, I'm complaining so much. So tell me in the comments what I should do. Try to like give the slime a makeover. Just I don't know what to do with it, guys. Tell me in the comments down below. Bye!